Two skaters, one channel here, and today we are going to be doing a new series called Dumb Skate. Pretty dumb. And episode 1, and we're just going to be doing dumb stuff with our boards and just playing game skate. So, here we go. Today, first episode is we're going to be doing hand tightened bolts, so pretty locked on there. Look at how much excess room there is, like maybe an inch, half an inch. That's crazy. I'd hope it doesn't really fall off because my brother Angel did it. And so you ready?
I'm ready. Rochambeau.
Okay.
I go first.
Go.
Start things off pretty simple using a simple ollie. Okay, that was actually pretty hard. Also, note how loose these trucks are.
10 times harder. Okay, ollie. Did that count?
I count it.
Go.
So I have to do an ollie.
Go good. I messed up.
You messed up?
Yeah, I'll give you another try. Go.
You go. So I have to do a ollie?
Yeah.
That was actually pretty hard.
Yeah, it was, huh? Kickflip right here. I don't even know what the tail is. Don't judge me, so maybe.
Nope.
Go.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a fakie ollie smack. Or fakie ollie grab or whatever. Whatever the original name is called. So.
Tail. Nose grab, tail grab, I don't know.
I cannot go.
Kickflip right here. Second, boy. Oh. Go.
Right, there's a rock right here. There you go. So fakie ollie grab or whatever.
Nope. Kickflip again. Let's go. Third try.
Nope.
Oh.
I'm gonna just do a regular fakie ollie then.
You're garbage. Frontside 180. Your weakness, Angel.
God damn it.
Does that count?
Yep. Gotta do a frontside 180.
S. Thank you, frontside 180. Let's get it. Oh. Go.
Fakie ollie, if I can do it.
Nope. Go!
Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna do fakie ollie, so let's just do it. Whoa.
K. When the last clip, I said he had a K. I messed up. He has an S. Okay. Fake shove. Go!
Fakie shove, I guess.
Yeah, he's not gonna get this. Nope. Oh, that's pretty
I
close.
could have gotten it, but that's a nope.
Okay. Fakey ollie, I'm stealing your trick. Sorry, Angel.
You be stealing my trick, boy?
Yeah. Go. Yes, do fakey ollie.
What? No.
Regular shove. Yeah, okay, let's get it.
Nope.
Yes, what are you talking about?
Nope.
I lied to that. Nope.
No, that wasn't a full shove, so it doesn't count.
What? That makes no sense. Fine. Can you give me a rebate? Go.
Since that last shove didn't count since it wasn't a full shove, I'm gonna do my famous ollie smack.
Nope, you didn't touch it. So apparently that's counted. So
Gotta do that ollie smack though.
I touched it. I guess I did.
I count it.
Okay, cool.
Rebate though.
What? Okay. Do it again.
Rebate toe drag.
I didn't touch the floor though.
Okay, yeah, that counts.
Go. He's gonna do. Oh, that was pretty cool.
Do a fakie ollie smack.
Nope.
I like how beautiful the sky looks. Oh, right.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Go.
Fakey out. No, I'm gonna do a fakey. Bunch of 180. way! Oh my God, get out the way!
That was pretty good.
Go!
Obnoxious.
Nope, nope. Yeah, but T.
I know. That's not my shoe.
I'm
So apparently I have a T now. This is not going good for me.
Let's go. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna end him off with the kite flip.
I don't think kite flip is a real trick.
Kick flip.
What's a kite flip?
Oh my gosh. Okay, kick flip. Get you out. Oh, damn it.
No.
Go.
Ollie smack. Taking it. Nothing.
Well, you already did that. Ollie smack?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I did it, but
Ready? Go.
okay, go. That's he be straight tripping, but nope, nope.
Yes, I did.
Rebate.
Wait, you can't rebate your own trick, so.
I'm rebating your trick.
Blood everywhere.
I'm gonna kill him. Okay, ready, set, go. I'm gonna get him with the kick flip. Try it again. 1, 2, let's go. Oh!
No. No.
Oh.
Take Ollie smack since I never landed you.
Nope. I'm gonna try to do a kick flip again. Let's get it. No, that's better. Let's go.
No.
Let's.
I'm gonna go for your kick flip actually.
You. Oh my gosh. Nope.
Go.
Got it. No. Oh.
He doesn't have the guts to do it.
I don't. Go. Nope.
I'm done. I swear to God.
I'm gonna try 2 more times. Wait, okay, see?
You ready to go? Shreddy shit show.
Yeah, let's go. Kick flip again. Oh! Dang it.
Triggered.
Oh.
There we go. Finally did it.
Nope. Rebate.
No, I landed that fair and
No, you
square.
didn't. No, you didn't.
Yes, I
Rebate.
did.
Fine. Rebate. Fakey Ollie smack. Apparently.
That was completely clean. First S.
Go.
Good flip.
What was that?
Landed it.
Changing location. Oh my God! I can't even like. Oh, this.
Okay, go.
Kick flip right here. We out here. You know. Pause.
Rolling.
Pause again.
Nice try. The.
Go.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
Old school. Let's go.
Nope. 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 Okay, last time I'm trying to kick flip. Okay, guys. Now you guys are getting mad for the kick flip. Errors. But right here. Right here. Get it. Ah! Okay.
Triggered.
Go.
Taking it old school with no school.
Nope. Nope. Okay, I'm tired of this kick flip. It's annoying. I'm just gonna do this. Then come on. That's all we're doing. Okay, all the way down here. Come back. Like I just showed you. Go.
You know, let's take it easy. Kindergarten. Kindergarten.
Okay. He's saying gets a rebate because I bumped into him. So.
I threw a pebble at you. Fake your cast for flop.
You are not gonna do that. Nope. See? The same thing.
technical difficulties. I didn't think so.
Go.
180, no comply.
Go.
Butt cheeks. Okay, go. Ready?
You're doing something other.
Butt cheeks.
Hey, you messed me up. I get to go again.
Butt cheeks.
Yeah.
Okay, that one didn't count, okay? Because the butt cheeks. Okay, go. You ready?
Yes!
You said you're going to ollie off of it.
Yeah,
Go. Fine. Give you a rebate.
okay, that's a rebate because supposedly I was supposed to ollie off.
Yeah, you said you were going to. Butt cheeks for you. Exposed there, my fingers. So I get 2 tries since this is my last letter.
He's not gonna do this.
Ready?
Yeah.
I can't even do this. Not like that, you're like easy. This is it, not like this, like this.
Ooh, butt cheeks exposed. Butt cheeks exposed. Okay, go. One more try. Woo! And that's game. Good job.
You know what I say to that, Isaiah? Boing! Alright, so that's been a last game of skate. Thank you guys for enjoying this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'm Angel, and this is my brother Isaiah. We're 2 skaters, 1 channel. See you next time.